to Sohaila Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make carrot fudge. The fudge is made from fresh carrots, and I will be using only a few ingredients. It's a very delicious fudge, and it is very easy to follow, and the recipe is very simple. It only takes about 20 to 25 minutes to make this from start to finish. So I'm very excited to share this delicious recipe with you guys. Please continue to watch, and I will be back and show you how to make this delicious carrot fudge. Thank you for joining me today. here's our delicious carrot fudge. They look really good. I'm going to try a piece and I will let you know. I'll get a small piece. Very good. I love the crunchiness of the almonds, and I love the carrot taste. It's very nice and very sweet, and I love the cinnamon in it. As you saw, it wasn't a lot of work to make this recipe. The only thing is that it is a little tricky. You have to just pay attention, especially towards the end, and make sure all the water is absorbed in the carrots before you take it out of the heat. And I think that's all there is to it. So if you have any questions about making this recipe, you can always leave them down below in the comment section. Or if you have any suggestions, please let me know. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys at the next video shortly. Thank you so much. Love you all. Goodbye.